Hey, Eric, we're good this side. Hey, cockpit, cockpit, cockpit. Wait for it, wait for it. You see him? You alright? Can you cover cockpit if I move? What? Can you cover cockpit if I move? Shaky and shit. You good?
Somebody fucked with my comp up. Yeah.
Alright, hold that cockpit for me. Eric, you want to try to get this tree right here? Changing. Corey! Go tail, go tail. One coming out, hold your fire. We told her. Corey, go tail. Alright. She said that hurt. Hey, you want to try to go right here to this tree? I got cockpit, I can't shoot in the side of the door. Go. You shaking rounds like a motherfucker. One coming out! Was he in the cockpit? Alright, open fire! Hey, I'm gonna go right there. In the cockpit? He's too low, I can't get a shot on him. Hit! Hey, Ian! Ian! Can you hit that middle door at all? Two coming out! Hey, Lizzy! Oh, hit! Hit! Ow! Shot right in the fucking head. Who the fuck did that? I don't know. Hey Corey, you wanna go wide right with me?
Yeah. Careful, you can't go that way. Go right here.
Alright. Pick a spot and I'll come to you. Hey, Corey. Corey. I'm gonna cross in front of you. Oh shit. Oh. Erik, cover. Ah! Woo! Hey, watch your friendly. Ah, hit. Ow, what was that? What? Who shot me? Oh shit, no! Did you see that? Ow. Did you see who shot me? Tony's out here. Kevin and Lizzy. Tony's right there.
Whoever jumped up on the north side of the helicopter and just sprayed in, 4 rounds in the hand.
Huh? Yeah.
That was great. I saw you walk up, I was like, oh shit, here he goes.
Kevin's trying to shoot me with that little gay ass pistol he has. Changing. Oh my god, my hands are cold.
Yeah. I'm so glad I had these gloves right now. $2.
Is Erik up there?
I don't know where Erik is.
I'm gonna push up to Danika's tree real quick. Cover me?
Go.
Fuck me. Erik, watch your right. Watch your right. Who is that in there? Nice. Woo! Who is that? It sounds like a Tommy gun. What? You're rude. Come at me, bitch! I said come at me! Hey, just to the left of the fucking windows! Fuck this shit. Hey, nose, push up. Just around the left of that front window. Watch the holes. Top. Cockpit. Above you, Cody, cockpit. Hey, somebody push tail. Who said that? Hey Cody, you gotta get the gun around that corner and just do it. What? What, bitch? Are you hit? Lizzy? Lizzy, you alright? Are you out of the helicopter? Hey, Cody, just get that gun around the corner. Do it. Yeah, get in there, Yousef. Cody. Stay low, Eric, stay low so I can cover you. Yeah! Where's Lizzy at? Alright? I got shot twice right here.
So bad, is it red?
A little bit.
No, it hurt.
Where did it come in? Do you even know?
I don't even know.
Hey, look at this. Look at it. Show him.
Oh my God.
No, it's not. It's just funny.
That looks painful.
I got shot twice right fucking here.
No, it's that noticeable.
First battle wound. Very nice.
Oh, you're shaking, Dylan.